Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. Wanted to talk to you real quick about what benefits your crepe myrtles will get from trimming them up and trimming them the right way. There's a couple of really good reasons why you want to get that done. Now's the time to do it. You want to do it before the middle of February. There's kind of a stigma. Some people will tell you you shouldn't trim your crepe myrtles at all, but that's more of a stigma based on people doing it the wrong way. There's a lot of people that do it the wrong way. If you drive around town, you'll see it all over the place. Bad examples of how to trim your crepe myrtle. That doing it like that does more damage than it does good. But if done the right way, there's a couple of things that will happen. One, you'll have a lot more blooms next season. The next growing season, you'll have a lot more blooms. You'll have bigger blooms. Your tree's going to look a lot nicer. You'll have more pollinating insects. So overall, that's reason in of itself to get a trimming done on your crepe myrtles. And then secondly, it will help strengthen the wood of your tree. There's plenty of research to show that it helps strengthen the wood of your tree, helps strengthen the overall health of your tree, makes it less susceptible to disease, to insects, particularly scale. The stuff that we see it a lot around here, the scale that produces that black sooty mold on the crepe myrtles. It'll make it less susceptible to that, help protect it a little bit more from that. So definitely a good thing to do if you do it the right way, get your crepe myrtle trimmed up. So it's not a heavy trimming. This is a light trimming. I told you in the previous video that I would post one about how to do it the right way, and I promise you I will. That'll be coming up very soon. Just know that the clock's ticking on that. We've got about 4 weeks to get our crepe myrtles trimmed, and you definitely want to do it. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.